Hello everyone, I am Alaika Maybe Iskoro from DC22. For today's video, I'm gonna answer all the questions related to the case that I have recently read. So, the case is about the Cyberlibel case, and the main title is Rappler case. So there are 5 parts or 5 questions related to the case, and all of that I'm gonna answer it in this video. So keep on watching. The first question is, what is the case all about? So the case is about the conviction of Maria Risa, the executive editor of the online news website Rappler. And journalist Reynaldo Santos Jr. for Cyberlibel. So the charges were brought based on a Rappler article published in 2012, which alleged the involvement of businessman Alfredo King in illegal activities and linked him to then Supreme Court Chief Justice Renato Corona. The second question is, what are the facts of the case? So, the facts of the case are as follows. As you can see in my screen, the first one is, on May 29, 2012, Rappler published an article titled CJ Using SUVs of Controversial Businessmen, which implicated Alfredo King in various criminal activities. Next, the Cybercrime Prevention Act of 2012, also known as CPA, including its provision on Cyberlibel, was signed into law on September 12, 2012. Next, the article remained accessible on the Rappler website and was edited on February 9, 2014 to correct a typographical error. Next, on January 10, 2017, Alfredo King filed a complaint affidavit to charge Maria Risa, Reynaldo Santos Jr. and others with Cyberlibel. The Department of Justice, also known as DOJ, recommended the filing of Cyberlibel charges against Risa, Santos Jr. and Rappler in January 2019. Next, Maria Risa was arrested on February 13, 2019 and later released on bail. Next is the trial began on July 23, 2019. The third question is, what are the main issues in the case? So, the main issues in the case were whether the accused should be charged with Cyberlibel under section of the Cybercrime Prevention Act, or whether the elements of label, including the discreditable act or condition, publication, identity of the person defamed, and existence of malice were present, or whether the act of Cyberlibel was committed through a computer system, whether the offense had prescribed. So those are the main issues in the case. Fourth question is, what are the ruling of the court? So the ruling of the Manila Regional Trial Court branch was that Maria Risa and Reynaldo Santos Jr. were guilty of Cyberlibel under Section 4 of the Cybercrime Prevention Act. They were sentenced to imprisonment of up to 6 years and ordered to pay Alfredo King moral and exemplary damages. So Rappler Incorporation was found to have no corporate liability. Fifth questions, last but not the least, what are some takeaways from this case? So, some of my takeaways from this case is that the case highlight the complexity surrounding Cyberlibel and the application of law in the digital age. Next is, it emphasizes the importance of responsible journalism, fact-checking, and verification of information before publication. Next is, the ruling raises concerns about the potential impact on press freedom and freedom of expression, especially in the context of online news organizations. And last is, the case underscores the need for clear legal framework and guidelines to address the balance between protecting individual reputations and upholding the principle of free speech and press freedom. That's all, and I hope you have learned something, and thanks for watching.